What else is there to say about the Reggae Boyz and the World Cup qualifying campaign? But the basic and fundamental truth. It's been 20 years and 6 World Cup cycles. We've been doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. That means we're mad in a football. Sufficing to say that the flawed and played out blueprint of running for England-born players at the last minute has never worked. It is not working and cannot work. And don't get it twisted. This is no anti-English rant. England-based players can bring value to the team, but their introduction cannot be so wholesale and cannot be so late in the process. It has got to be more calculated and timely. As much as possible, these players have to come and play the Nations League and the CONCACAF Gold Cup and even regular friendly internationals so they can build a chemistry and an understanding within the team. If they're going to wait until World Cup qualifiers start and then we fly them down 2 days before, the embarrassment will continue. If the JFF cannot afford to get the England ball at them here early and often, it is now proven that the last minute plane loader man will not work.